Welcome to my messy desk. Right here, I have an HP Reverb G2 V2. Now let's open this baby and see what's inside. I bought it on sale at the $300 sale price, and I really am curious to see what I can get for just $300. Pretty good on the presentation there. It's so shiny you can see the camera and the reflection. Comes in a nice cloth. Not bad, it's very light. This is noticeably lighter than the Index. Holy crap. Alright, let's put it on real quick. It does have the same... It's actually not the same straps as the Index. Very close though. It's like the Index, but it's got Velcro instead of the ones that you crank. Let's see here. Put it on, pull the tabs. Like put it in. Ooh. That is very light. I like it. It's actually very, very comfortable. Very little vision below this. This is actually better than the Index in terms of seeing out from under the headset. So that's really good for immersion. If you have to look in, there you go. Not bad. Guess I'll peel these plastic things off. They are Fresnel lenses. They're not the pancake lenses that the Quest Pro has, but they should do just fine. I've heard they're actually pretty excellent on this. Now, let's move on. There's a package here. Let's do this. So, and just info stuff like don't sleep and take a shower while wearing this. Here's the controllers, and they look, I thought they were white, but these are black. Very light. They feel okay. I mean, they are what they are. You know, I'm curious to see what kind of performance we'll get out of them. There's one. That back on to the butt. Everything comes in these cloths, which I like. Keeps everything looking nice and sharp, clean. Finally, we have last and that's cables, and more cables. Look at this. How many cables do we have? One big cable. This is a 6 meter, which is about 20 feet cable. Looking very sharp. We got, looks like mini display port, full display port, and USB Type C. Not bad. Power brick. I'm guessing this is an adapter of some sort. Oh, battery? What? It comes with little batteries. They're probably cheap as garbage, but I mean, batteries are batteries. What's this? Ah, yes, a USB to Type C adapter. And that's it. So, first impressions. Seems pretty good. I'll probably have a video up within a week doing an initial review of it, and then I'll probably do like a long-term review / an Index comparison kind of video. So anyways, bye.